Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are from group number 1. We'll discuss about the two questions, that is, explain the roles of the customer in total quality setting and describe how organization go about establishing a customer focus. Before start the presentation, let me introduce all the presenter. The presenter is Tuan Muhammad Izwan, the second presenter is Muhammad Aiman, and the last presenter is Muhammad Al-Faikal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tuan Muhammad Izwan Haziq bin Tuan Muhammad Talizi, and my student number is 2021847612. Today I will talk about introduction of customer focus in organization. First, what is customer? Customer is an individual or business that buys the good or services of another business. Customers are important because they provide revenue, so without them, a business cannot continue to exist. In other words, customer must always be the organization's top priority. Reliable customers are the most important because they will repeatedly buy from the company and feel satisfaction about their purchases. The question is how to achieve all of that. We back to our main topic, which is customer focus organization. So what is customer focus? Customer focus organization is one that places the client heart of its culture, mission and values. This organization strives to improve customer happiness by anticipating consumers' needs, fostering positive interaction, and making adjustment in response to consumers' input. In easier words, customer focus can be understood as a forming strategy to attract more customers by putting their need first. It's important to put ourselves in the customer's shoes and look at things from their perspective because that helps us understand the customer better and figure out what is likely to be the right solution for them.
First question is explain the growth of customer in a total quality setting. Total quality setting can be defined as the purpose for the continuous improvement of organization, business operation and customer-oriented process. Total quality setting is the process of detecting and reducing or eliminating errors in the manufacturing and improving the customer experience. Total quality setting requires uniting all the departments within the organization to help improve each business activity. There are some roles of the customer in the total quality setting which enhance an organization obsession on the quality and helps the organization to identify the customer needs. The customer first role in total quality setting is to enhance an organization obsession on the quality. The customer can help or urge the organization to make the customer satisfaction organization priority. Customer satisfaction is one of the important elements in producing the highest product and services. If the customer are not satisfied with the product, it means that the product doesn't meet or achieve the customer quality needs and is not good for the business. When it happens, the organization must know immediately that the quality product needs to improve. The organization must keep an obsessive focus on the quality, so that helps the organization to achieve the objective, which is to meet the customer needs and satisfaction. The second role of the customer is to help the organization to identify the customer needs. Organization can do some questionnaire survey to customer in a certain time. The survey can provide the data based on the customer needs. The survey data can help the organization to identify what the criteria that customer needs and also help the organization make the decision based on the analysis of the data that they get. So all the departments must unite to plan the strategy and make improvement on the product based on the data that show the criteria of customer needs. When the organization makes an improvement on the product following the customer needs, it can lead to increasing the customer satisfaction on the product, increase the market share, revenue growth and provide the sustainable competitive advantage. So the customer plays the important roles in the total quality setting because the customer can help the organization to keep improving their product to achieve the highest quality product.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Al-Faikal bin Asmiza and my metric number is 2021627562. All we know that the customers must be the organization's top priority. Reliable customers are the most important, like by repeatedly from the organization and feel the satisfaction via their purchases. Customer satisfaction is ensured by produce high quality products where satisfaction implies continual improvement. Therefore, I will explain how the organization go about establish a customer focus. Firstly, The organization should include customers in our business identifier. Consider engaging clients in the organization branding identifier while develop the company's brand and marketing strategy. For example, the business can use surveys and the customer review as a part of their website content. It's time to create the identification that will bring an organization to life and show who you are to the relevant people, most that is customers. Next, analyze the products or service and try to improve them. It purposes usually to deliver a greater value to existing customers or attract direct customer sign-ups. In actuality, business might implement enhancement for a variety of reasons. For example, they want to keep their consumer pleased. It always satisfies to be a user of a product or service that constantly improving and introducing new features. Furthermore, employees should be trained to meet customer service objectives. Customer service training equips a team with knowledge and abilities necessary to excel in customer care and support. For each new recruit, training should be an essential part of administration process. Employer will be better able to comprehend their jobs and give improved customer service as a result of a training. At the same time, the quality in the service as well as the product produced by the employees themselves can be improved to the customer that can make more satisfied of the customers. Promote collaboration with another organization also can do for organization to establish customer focus. The team must collaborate to provide a consistent, superior experience in their service of a product. In fact, over 70% of customers want businesses to work together on their behalf. The example for the company that have been famous by doing the collaboration is Louis Vuitton with the Supreme. These two brands are the most popular in luxury and fashion brand. Louis Vuitton had a 23% profit boost in the first half of 2017, which they attribute large part into the relationship. Lastly, adapt and expand. The customer may want additional service or new product as the technology and market evolve over time. Consider how it can adjust to fulfill this expectation. The organization may also utilize the result of the customer service to design improvement inside the company. This may aid in the improvement of client relationship. So that's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion, it can be concluded that customer satisfaction is very important. Even though customer satisfaction is not a guarantee of repeat purchase, it plays a very important role in customer retention and loyalty. When organizations or companies start focusing more on their customer, they become more human brand, driven by relationship rather than profit or requirement. So customer satisfaction, loyalty and customer retention are very important role for the success of the organization. Thank you so much. That's all from us.